Nestled in the meadow, overlooking the river, this stunning property offers the perfect blend of modern luxury and convenience. Hi, I'm Kristen with Lear Realty Partners, and I'm honored to present to you 1371 South Athol Road, located right here in Athol, Massachusetts. Let's go in and take a look. Set on 1.6 acres with 165 feet of private river frontage, you can enjoy fishing or kayaking literally in your backyard. Welcome to your new construction home. The kitchen is a chef's dream with a 6-foot custom center island, range hood, tile backsplash, stainless steel appliances, and hardwood floors throughout. If you'd like more information or to schedule a private tour, you know what to do. Just give me a call. This one won't last long.